Welcome students. In previous video we have seen about the types of crosses. Today we have to learn inheritance and variation topic from class 12th, that the type of crosses, third type of cross, that is the reciprocal cross. Third type of cross, that is reciprocal cross. So what happen in the reciprocal cross? Suppose two organisms are there. So that two organisms, from that one organism is behaving as a male, means it is playing the role as a male in one cross, and the same organism is playing the role as a female in next cross. So that is the reciprocal cross. We can take one example, that is, suppose one organism is there, organism A, okay, and organism B. In first case, this is first case, okay. In this first case, this organism A is working as a male and here it is female. So what happened that this is having capital A and capital A means gametes, and here it is having capital B and capital B gametes. So we can do the Punnett square. So we can write down the Punnett square after fertilization. Here we can write male gamete and female gametes. Okay. So here male is capital A and capital A. Female is capital B and capital B. So which type of gametes are here? Capital A, capital B, capital A, capital B, capital A, capital B, again capital A and capital B. So we can see that all are having capital A, capital B. This is case first. What happened in this? Case second. We can write down here case second. In that, this organism A is present as a male. So in this, organism A is working as female and organism B is working as male. Means same organism is working as same pair. Okay. So here capital A and capital B, capital B. So what type of gametes we will get? After the fertilization, male and female. Okay. So A is working as male and here female. Okay. So what type of gametes here we will get? B, B, A. So A and B so we can see that one organism is working as male in one case and second organism is working as female in another case. So that is the reciprocal cross. So what happened in this means there is a result, okay, whatever the characters are there, these are controlled by this organism A and B, like that in the reciprocal cross. Okay, so rest we will see in the next video. Thank you.